Back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, thanks for watching. As you've seen at the beginning of the video, I went ahead and put in the throwout bearing, the clutch fork. So what we need to do now is get the bell housing bolted up to the engine. Then I'll figure out some way to hoist the T5 up into position so we can get it slid up into the bell housing. But as you see, guys, we are ready to get this thing stuck back onto the 302. I got the T5 cleaned up the best that I could possibly get it done without pressure washing it. It was actually super cold when I did it the other day. I didn't feel like dragging out all that stuff. I just soaked it down real good with some purple power and just took the water hose and rinsed it off the best I could. You know, it's good enough. It's better than what it was, trust me. It was, oh man, it was nasty. So I think I got everything set up for us to get ready to install the bell housing. We'll go ahead and get that up in there, and then we'll worry about lifting that T5 up in place. So let's get to it, guys. All right, let's get the bell housing set up there. Got all the bell housing bolts tight. Now we got two bolts right here. Go in up here. Now the fun part is getting the tranny lifted up there and getting it put in place. So I'll be right back. Let me get something figured out here and we'll get it put in place. All right, guys, we're back. As you can see, I had to take a quick pause for the cause. I had to fight this thing up in here, so I needed all the room I could possibly get. I had to end up letting the motor down some. I had it up too high. So transmission's in. I just need to tighten up the 4 bolts. Right now, I need to get the cross member in. That way it'll have some support. And then the tranny will be in. Take a look at everything real quick. I just need to take and tighten up my 4 bolts, and the transmission pretty much be in. All these bolts back here are tight. I just hook all this stuff up, no big deal. But yeah, transmission's in, guys. So let me crawl up underneath this car and we will wrap this up. All right, guys, we got the T5 in the Reddemon. I hate I had to pause for the calls on you guys, but if you've ever put a transmission in by yourself, you know you need all the room you can get in order to be able to, you know, fight that thing into place, man. You guys wouldn't have been able to see anything anyway. I've been all up in your way. So the main thing is the T5 is in. As you can see here, I'm propped up on the cherry picker. I had to bust it out in order to get the motor up, to drop the engine stand down underneath the oil pan a notch, so I could get the bolt holes lined up, the transmission with the bell housing. But everything's in there now, man, so that's good. Next video, we will get the drive shaft in. We will get the starter in. The reason why I'm not doing that tonight, it's late. I'm ready to go in and take a shower, chill out for a little bit before I have to work tomorrow, watch a little bit of YouTubes, you know, all that good stuff. But that's what we're gonna do next time, guys. That way we can go ahead and get top side. And I believe after that, we'll go ahead and try to wrap the hot side, you know, the headers and all that stuff. Go ahead and get that stuff wrapped. That way we can go ahead and put the headers on while, you know, we ain't got a bunch of junk in the way. So that's all I got. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, man. And I will see you guys in the next one. So thanks for watching.